You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this brand or retail company, as well as how to say more luxury brand names too, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Gorjana, not Gorjana, but rather Gorjana. And now you know, more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.